are going for an educational trip. We are going to industrial areas. We are very excited to visit industrial areas. Assalamu alaikum, I am Kaneez Zahra from Blossom Public School, Basti Anantnag, and today we have visited industries. First of all, I would like to thank the school management who gave us the opportunity to come and visit industries and to get some practical knowledge. We know we remember practicals more than what we read in the texts. Practical knowledge helps students bring in reality what they read in the texts. When we visited these industries, we learned how processing and manufacture works. We learned how they put the raw material and get the end product. When students are exposed to books only, they try to skim through them only to pass the examination, and this type of knowledge has the least shelf life. However, when students dive into the pool of industries, they see processing and manufacturing through their own eyes, and this leaves a permanent mark on their memory. Teachers should guide and instruct students on these educational trips.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sana Rafiq and I'm a student of Blossom Public School. I'm thankful to our school authority. They have gave us chance to visit these industries. We came to know how glasses are made in these industries. We came to know first time that glasses are made from chemical and sand. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Arsa Farouk. I study in Blossom Public School. Today we visit industrial area. An industrial visit offer an opportunity for us to experience the real machines, workstation system, plants and assembly lines, etc. And we get to know how the system works for the experienced experts in the industry.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm a student of Blossom Public School. First of all, I would like to thank to the management of Blossom Public School that they give us an opportunity to visit the industries. Industries play a very vital role in the economy and production of goods. As we know that practical knowledge is better than the books knowledge, as it helps people to understand the concepts more deeply and show how things work in a real world. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amin Rustak from Blossom Public School. First, I want to thank the principal and staff members of Blossom Public School who gave us this opportunity to visit the industry. By visiting industry, we can learn many things. We can learn the practical working. We can also gain insight into real working challenges. We can also learn the skills and the labor. We can also learn the skills. We can see the challenge that the workers of the industries face. By visiting industry, we can learn the skills and the challenge, etc.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm the student of Blossom Public School. Today I'm very glad to visit these industries. I'm very thankful to my teachers who gave me an opportunity to stand here to say something about industries. These visits help us to go for a right career. The objective of an industry is to provide an insight into internal working of companies. We know that theoretical knowledge is not enough for making a good professional career. So, with an aim to go beyond an academics and industrial wisdom, is to provide an practical perspective on the world of the work. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As student of Blossom Public School, today we visit industrial areas. And industrial visits allow us to gain practical experience. Industrial visits are often the part of curriculum. By visiting industries, we learn about latest technology trends, combine theoretical knowledge with practical experience. We interact with experts and build a network. It develops leadership, communication, and interpersonal skills.
I'm Arbina Riaz from Blossom Public School. I thank to my teachers who gave me an opportunity to visit the industries. Here the industrial region means when the number of industries locate close to each other and share the benefits of each other. This makes them easy to transport the things from one place to another. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Suhana Tariq, a student from Blossom Public School. Today I'll say how steel is produced. Like other industries, steel industries also use three methods to produce steel, which is inputs, processing and outputs. As inputs, steel industries use mineral wool, which is then sent to processing where it undergoes various methods and then it's refined and steel is finally produced. Thank you.
I am very grateful to the honorable staff of the Blossom Public School to use this golden chance to visit the industry. I am Zoya Farouk from class 8 of the behalf of BPS. Enable a country to produce a variety of goods at a large quantity in a low cost technological progress to change the outlook of the people. Thank you.
Industrial visitors provide the students with an opportunity to learn practically through interactions, working methods, and practical knowledge. It gives the students an exposure to current learned practices as opposed to theoretical knowledge being taught at their classrooms. The industrial visitors granted the students an opportunity to interact with industries and know more about industrial environment.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Suzanne Abbas and I study in Blossom Public School. First of all, I am very thankful to the Blossom management who gave me the opportunity to visit these industries and gain some practical knowledge. After visiting these industries, we came to know about the three processes that an industry goes through. They are input, processing and output. In input, we have raw materials that are taken to various processes and generated through different processes. After that, we get an output that's taken to the markets, or we can say in product.
Assalamu alaikum, I am Ajmal from Blossom Public School. First of all, I would like to thank the authority of our school who have given this opportunity to visit these industries. We came here to gain practical knowledge, and this also gave us idea about business and management skills, manufacturing, importing and exporting. We came to know about a lot of information. And with the disadvantages, there are some disadvantages to life, environmental pollution and air pollution. So we should try to reduce and we should make our family and friends aware. Thank you.
Development has resulted in large-scale manufacturing of products that are available to consumers at significantly lower price. There's a time and labor saving. People's living standards have risen significantly as a result of industries. So the motive of this visit is to show the students practically how they are using the raw materials, how they are manufacturing the products here, because practical method is more effective than the academic method.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। वला सौफा युअतीका रब्बुका फतरदा, और बेशक करीब हैं तुम्हारा रब, तुम्हें इतना देगा तुम राजी हो जाओगे। First of all, I would like to thank the principal of Blossom Public School, Nai Basti Anantnag, who has given us such permission and support to visit here in this industrial sector, where we have observed that students should not be confined on bookish knowledge only, but they should be given opportunities in educational tours to get practical knowledge too. Here are some industries we have seen here: cement industry, steel industry, brick industry, glass industry, and furniture industry that operates very smoothly and manufacture the finished goods which have great demand in the market. In my class lecture, I have already classified that type of industries on the basis of their material, on the basis of their ownership, and on the basis of their size, which are public sector or private sector. I think that type of practical knowledge will help our students to explore the world, and that type of visit will help our students to fill the gap between theory and practice. At last, I would like to say, दुनिया में हूँ दुनिया का तलबगार नहीं हूँ, दुनिया में हूँ दुनिया का तलबगार नहीं हूँ, कारखाने बाजार से गुजरा हूँ, खरीदार हूँ।